how to change your NGL username. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to change your NGL username and you don't know how to, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your NGL app. And then let me tell you that there is no option to change your NGL username. So you will need to delete the account and then make a new account to change your username. So for that, go to Inbox and then go to the gear icon in the top right and go to Settings. So here, as you can see that there is no option to change the username. You can go to Delete Account and then confirm the deletion. You can see that you will lose access to your username. So it's really easy to create a new account again. You can see the account has been deleted. Now you can just tap on Get Started. And then you just need to confirm your age. And then you can choose where you want to use NGL. And then now you can see you can choose a new username. So just put in the username of your choice and then hit continue, and that's it. This is how you change the username on your NGL app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.